Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to distribute this one for this one and number one for this one. So we have like this. Next, cotangent s squared, that is about cosine s squared over sine s squared. So sine s squared we simplify and we have cosine s squared. Next, cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Next, cotangent s squared, that is about cosecant of s squared minus number 1. So the negative will change the sign of this one. And now we have like this. So the integration of this one, that is about cotangent s. The next one, that is about s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.